When you open a massive enterprise-scale software architecture, you are often looking at hundreds of interacting files. This VS Code Explorer shows a project containing over 500 individual files. Standard AI coding agents approach a repository of this size completely blind. They rely on basic text searches, like grep, scanning the entire project from scratch and burning through 124,000 tokens just to locate context. The critical flaw happens the very next time you open your IDE. The AI wipes its architectural memory between sessions. Start a new task on day 2, and it executes the exact same costly search all over again. We solve this by transforming the flat text of the codebase into a mapped structural knowledge graph using a widely adopted open-source tool called Graphify, which has already earned over 37,000 stars on GitHub. Shifting from brute force scanning to a persistent architectural map solves the AI's memory wipe problem, resulting in a token usage reduction of up to 71. Step 1 is getting the tool installed. Open your standard terminal environment and run the base pip install Graphify command. Next, install an environment-specific optimizer so the tool interfaces correctly with your exact OS and AI agent. For this configuration, select Graphify Code Mac. With the packages installed, launch a fresh session of your AI agent to trigger the system's auto-detection protocols. Look for the specific message reading Graphify skill initialized. This proves the AI has successfully integrated the new mapping capability. Your local environment is now fully prepped. We've bridged the gap between the terminal and the AI agent, and you are ready for the initial structural scan. Instruct the AI to create a clustered community graph of your repository. Make sure to use a dot to explicitly target the current root directory. You will immediately see a new Graphify out directory populate in your workspace. In the background, the tool parses hundreds of files and translates every class and function into an isolated data point. Here in the terminal log, we can see the successful creation of 664 individual nodes. These disparate points are automatically organized into logical groupings of heavily related code, called communities, to streamline AI traversal. This specific project generated 55 communities. You don't have to rely entirely on terminal logs. Run the open command to render the generated HTML report directly in your browser for visual verification. Let's look at how to interpret this map. A single point, or node, represents a specific entity within the overall software architecture. Here, the node is isolated as the timestamp converter page. The physical lines connecting these nodes are edges. They demonstrate exactly how different components rely on one another to function, like this connection showing that the timestamp page relies on page injections. The AI now has a structured map of the entire software architecture. It can navigate through specific function locations directly without needing to search the raw codebase blindly again. Codebases are dynamic. As you work, a static map will quickly become obsolete and trigger AI hallucinations. To maintain context accuracy, modify the specific configuration file within your workspace, the cloud.md file. Inject the exact string Graphify update command directly into the file. This one-time configuration allows the AI to refresh its map before answering new queries, helping to ensure the context remains current as the code changes. When working with enterprise software, you might hesitate to use third-party indexing tools out of fear of exposing proprietary company logic to the public internet. Graphify guarantees that the entire extraction, mapping, and querying process is strictly confined to your host machine. Zero structural output is exposed to the cloud. This workflow slide summarizes your optimized pipeline. It moves from loading the Markdown file directly into querying the local knowledge graph, delivering a high-context response with minimal tokens. By replacing standard grep searches with a mapped graph, you've reduced the token cost for every query in this repository. Next, we will explore how to use the Graphify Advisor command for more advanced data retrieval.